Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what can I do to prevent stink bugs? Nobody wants stink bugs in their home because, well, they stink if you crush them. Around fall, these insects will start invading homes in search of spots to dwell in over winter. If your home is prone to early stink bug activity, don't lose hope. There are some things that you can do to make these stink bugs stay outside. First thing you'll want to do is seal off any cracks and crevices that stink bugs can use to get inside your home. Look around your exterior and interior for any cracks and crevices that insects can use to crawl through and seal them with caulk or copper mesh. If you have any damaged screens, make sure you repair them, as stink bugs and other insects can take advantage of these openings as well. Once you've sealed off all the entry points, apply a residual insecticide barrier treatment to further drive these stink bugs away. You can use a product like Reclaim IT, since it's labeled to control many insects, including stink bugs, and you'll only have to spray quarterly for year-round control. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Nobody wants stink bugs in their home because, well, they stink if you crush them. They're called stink bugs, right?
Yeah, that's the whole point of that.
Right. So you can always, maybe that's what people that have bad breath, maybe that's just what they do. They're just eating stink bugs and we just don't know. You know what I mean?